Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
I am trying to make it through the week.
Yeah, I feel the same way. Luckily, this stuff wasn't too difficult this go around. So hopefully we'll get through this stuff.
Honestly, I didn't even finish the preparation work yet. I've been trying to do that right now in between work.
Yeah.
Yes, didn't quite finish it all.
Well, we'll help walk you through it. It's mostly just plugging in numbers into the Excel sheet.
Oh, well, that's always nice to hear.
Yeah.
Sorry I missed that meeting on Thursday.
Oh, no worries.
No lie, like, I literally didn't go to my work meeting. I was like, so I was gonna show up to the thing late just because I had to go to something.
Uh-huh.
And then, like, I looked at my phone, and I don't know if I just, like, didn't have Wi Fi or something at my apartment at the time. Like, I don't know if I have to like have Wi-Fi when you send out the invitation for me to get it, but I got back to my apartment and I was like sitting there just doing homework, waiting for like my phone to ring
Yeah,
from the invitation. Like, I don't know, it was weird.
that's strange. Yeah, that is weird. Sorry that you missed it.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I just feel bad for you guys because I didn't want you guys to like
Oh,
have to
we
do
were
stuff on
fine. We
behalf of
got
me.
through it.
Cool, cool.
Hey guys.
Hey,
Oh,
Doris.
did I need to do anything besides like buy M&Ms and count them?
We're going to be counting the brown ones, I guess. But
Right,
we don't want to do anything yet until we get the approval on it. So
right.
I
And
haven't
then
gotten anything back. So I don't know if you
okay,
have.
because I saw like the whole like designs, the study thing.
Yeah,
Were we all supposed to like turn that thing in?
we did because we weren't sure. That's what we had decided. But
Okay, because I was like looking at it and I was like, wasn't sure either, so I kind of just like copied and pasted everything from
yeah,
that email.
yeah, no, that's totally fine. That should work. So we'll see what he says. Hopefully, we find out sooner rather than later so we can get moving on it.
Yeah, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys. Sorry I'm late.
Hey.
Have you already started?
Nope,
No.
no, we're just checking in with James.
Nice.
All right, so we can go ahead and open the meeting unless the group quiz, unless anybody has any questions on anything.
No Peruni. I say we go for it.
All right, let's do it. Hopefully, it's
Let's
as
go
easy
have
as
another group meeting.
Okay, there we go. Sorry, drop my phone.
oh boy. Okay.
Wow,
Chapter
20 questions.
18.
Yeah, hopefully, it won't take too long though, since we can hopefully
Yeah, it was
get
pretty
everything answered.
straightforward
Yeah.
earlier.
All right.
Oh
Is,
yeah.
is everybody in the page? The quiz.
I'm
Yep.
almost there.
I'm there.
Sorry. Okay, I am ready.
All right. Looks like we'll go ahead and open up that Excel sheet too, if you haven't already.
Which one is it again? I always get these ones confused.
The category.
Categorical data analysis.
Yep.
It's the one that's the hat.
Exactly.
Oh gosh, my computer's going slow now.
Oh, sorry, guys. I keep yawning. I'm not going to last very long.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
all right.
I'm right there with you.
I'm ready to be done too.
I still have more to do after this too, so it's not like my night's over.
I
And you're on
have
the East Coast, aren't you, Ginger?
I'm sorry.
Are you on the East Coast as well?
I am. Yeah. So it's
Wow.
9:20.
It's late for you.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm pretty much used to staying up till 1 o'clock doing homework nowadays, so
same.
it's nothing new.
I have an exam in every one of my classes this week except for this,
Oh,
and this one's
Oh,
on
me
Tuesday,
too.
so not much of a break.
yeah. That was me last week. Or no, was it the week before? Yeah, it was the week before because it was the same week my daughter had her graduation from high school. We had a graduation party and we were trying to fix stuff up in that. Oh man, that was like the worst week of my life, I think. Anyways, moving on. Survived it.
I'll keep you in my prayers.
Thanks. Take them. All right, so looks like for question number 3, use the data in the table to find p hat 1. So out of 72 males in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC.
All right, so
So in column 1, you just enter the 18, 52, and 70. No, we don't put in the total. It calculates that. And 17, 42.
where do we put those ones in again? Is that in the X1 and X2? Or X1 and N1, excuse me.
Yeah. And I'm glad you mentioned that because I was on the chi-square. Okay. Let me
It'd
go
be
back
18
to
and
this one.
52.
So X1 would be 52, right? Or is it the other way? Which one's X and which one's...
It doesn't really specify. I think, can we
We'll
just
go
put
back.
whatever one we want?
Let's see. Sample size. So X is what?
I would
Oh, I
assume it would
think
just be
P1
52.
be the portion of females in the population who can taste the PTC, and P2 be the proportion of males who can taste it. The research question for the study is given here. Is the proportion of males who can taste PTC different from the portion of females who can taste PTC?
so. I have the smaller number is the X and the larger number is the N, right? So wouldn't it be 52 divided by 70 would give us the first p hat?
Yes, because we are looking at who can taste it. Right.
Okay,
So
and that'd just be 52
X1
divided.
is 52 and N1 is 70. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
And then
that's what I,
X2 is 42 and 2 is 59.
That's what I put.
All right. There
I
we go.
got 0.743 for p hat. 1.
Yep.
Yeah. So for that one, I just plug that straight into the spreadsheet, right? That's what you guys
The two proportions one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then for the second one, you get 0.712.
Question
Yes, that's what I got.
Yep, that's what I got too.
0.712.
All right, cool.
All right. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
That's A. Oh no, is it P hat? No. I think it's just A, right?
Yeah, I think it's A.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
because
it's just
just
different.
Yeah, we wouldn't have the hat in there.
So I'll show you the question again.
Wait, is it A or
Wait,
is
is
it
it supposed
B?
to have a hat?
No,
Okay.
not for the hypothesis.
Okay, so it's A.
Okay, so create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. And put your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. So, what is the point estimate? For some reason, I can't remember what the point estimate was.
Yeah, they didn't talk about that.
I think they did in the second.
Hmm.
Isn't the estimate just what they're expecting it to be? That was in
Didn't
the
it talk about that
videos.
last chapter, like 17 or something?
Is it the test statistic? Is that the point estimate? The Z?
We could try that.
The point estimate is the true population proportion. It's in lesson 17. It's like the first paragraph.
So that would be the P?
It's p hat, isn't it? p hat is the point estimate of p, right? Does that make sense? Makes sense there.
Yes, but which p hat would it be then?
Oh, that's a good question.
Hmm.
Maybe we actually need to calculate it. P hat would equal x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2.
And I feel like I just can't think or remember anything.
Welcome to every day of my life.
Take it day by day, huh?
Yes.
Should be 10 divided by 11. So I think it's 0.909.
And what did you get? What calculation are you doing for that?
So on that one in the video, it showed p hat equals x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2.
Right.
I think that's what it is. Could be. I mean, if it's not, we'll try the z-score.
Sorry, what was that equation again?
So it's p hat equals x1 plus x2 by n1 plus n2.
So in this question, they're saying, what's the point estimate for a 95% confidence interval? So
Yeah.
would we somehow multiply any of that by 1.96 or something?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Well, the confidence interval is given there on the spreadsheet. It gives us the high and the low.
Right.
Mhm.
Just when we thought this was going to be smooth sailing.
Actually, I did that wrong anyways. I think it's 0.729. How about we just try that and then we'll come back to that question.
Yeah, 0.729.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds good.
So I feel like the more we like
Sit on it.
stare at it, yeah, like the longer it's going to confuse us. So.
Yeah.
So what is the margin of error?
So isn't that the 0.0786?
The standard deviation of the hypothesis test? Is that the same as the margin of error?
I thought so.
Is it?
I never
That is
looked
my
to compare.
very unconfident.
I don't know.
I mean, we can spit it out real quick.
I still just calculate by using the confidence interval, which may be not the right way.
You just
I
add
think
those
it's
and
right.
divide by 2. Is that what you do?
Yeah. So for this one, I got 0.154.
Let's try it.
0.031.
I probably got signs wrong.
Sometimes.
It's like hard for me to think when it goes negative. Like, how do I put this in the calculator?
95 plus negative 0.1. Sometimes I just forget to put in the decimal.
Well, do you put in, like, even though the sign is negative,
Uh-huh.
I always just leave it positive because it doesn't necessarily matter that it's negative.
Right. You have to add it because once you go to 0, it's still.
Yeah, like you can't have a negative
Oh,
margin here.
right. Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah,
So,
Dorothy. Yeah.
And it's a negative.
0.154.
yeah.
Okay, that's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got. 0.154.
0.154. Which equation are you guys using that for that?
Just
We're
look
kind
at
of
confidence intervals. So you like add them together and then divide by 2.
Oh, duh. Yeah. Okay.
But don't use the negative. Just,
Yeah. 0.123 plus 0.185. Oh, crap.
And then we put the lower bound and the upper bound.
Mhm.
Negative
So
0.123 and then 0.185, right?
Yeah. So we fail to reject because the p-value is higher than 0.05.
Yeah, I think so.
And we are failing to reject the alternative hypothesis.
So the first one,
Isn't
Okay.
it always
Yeah.
HO?
yeah, the null.
Okay.
And we're on 11, right? So which of the following statements best describes the outcome? So wouldn't that be insufficient evidence?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's either A or D. Let's see. This is exactly the true portion. It's less. It's
I
D.
think it's
It
just
says
different. Yeah, different.
Yeah.
Okay.
The last one.
review more.
And another one.
All right, cool.
Hypothesis tests are satisfied. I would just assume yes because the next 9 questions are dependent on that.
Good assumption.
Oh, you're answering 12. I'm like, what are you talking
Yeah.
about?
Sorry.
I was reading the new study already. Okay.
What are the conditions again, though? Is that just like the 10, like NP?
Yeah, so it has to be greater or equal to 10.
Okay, cool. I just didn't know if there's like any different conditions for this chapter. I don't remember
Yeah, but
seeing
if we
anything.
plug in the numbers, it'll give us if we plug in the inputs in the purple squares, it'll give us the numbers in that grid to the right. And if all of those are greater or equal to 10, we're good.
Oh, wow, that's right.
All right. Sorry, guys. What are we on again?
So we're setting number 12 for this heart attack outcomes. So 1 would be 16713, and N1 would be 118519.
Sorry, I'm still putting in the numbers here.
Yeah, I am too. No worries. Let's see. 6155 62 42447 is N2.
Isn't N2? Oh yeah, sorry, I did that wrong.
All right. And then for the type of test,
Yeah, the type of test should be less than. It's P1 less than P2.
okay. So,
Yeah, all our numbers are well above 10.
yep.
12 is true. And that. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate? So that would be D.
Our numbers are above 10.
Yeah,
As
for
far
like,
as the first. Oh yeah, the samples.
Yeah,
Sorry.
checking the requirements. Yeah.
Okay, so 11 is true, and then 13 is.
13 would be D, right?
Yeah, that's what I
Yeah,
selected. D. And then P hat 1, I got 0.141.
Yeah.
yep.
P2, 0.145.
Yep. Z score -2.
0.02.
Yeah.
Given the z-score from the last question, which shade, to the left or the right of z-score? Wouldn't that just be to the left?
I would think left because it said less than, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing.
And then we're going to put that into the applet now for the p-value, right? Or is that in? Oh, we have that 0.022.
We have the p-value. It's 0.022. Right.
What is the decision for this test? Yeah, which is less than 0.05, so we would reject.
Yes.
And
They
then
tell us
is there-
somewhere. I guess we just assume it's 0.05.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it still is.
All right.
The A equals 0.05.
All right.
Oh wow, we're like at the last problem.
I think it's C.
Right.
Wait, is it sufficient or insufficient?
Sufficient, because we are
I think it's
rejecting it.
sufficient. Yeah. I had to beat that into my head because that one's tough for me. It's a double negative.
Yeah, exactly.
Fail
So
to
yeah,
reject.
it's C for that last question.
So
Yeah, I think it's C.
Okay.
wait, so when you fail to reject it and when you reject it, it's still sufficient every time?
No. If you don't reject it, it's insufficient evidence if you don't reject it.
Okay.
And you don't reject it when it's larger than the significance level. But if it's smaller, you reject. All right, I'll go ahead and submit mine. Let's see how we did. Number 6 is wrong.
Which number you said was wrong?
Number 6, that's the only one that's wrong.
Oh, awesome.
And you had Ginger. Did you have 0.729?
I had, yes, 0.729.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is that point estimate that we were wondering.
Right.
What would be a point estimate? Oh, we said we might try the z-score.
Yeah, we could.
Speaking. I'm gonna go look back in the textbook to see what it says.
No, it's not going.
It's in lesson 17. It's like the first paragraph. They'll talk about the point estimate.
Oh, is the point estimate the X bar? Is that the p hat?
Well, what would X bar be?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm like, I don't even know where that would fit.
Yeah, it could be. So, oh, it looks like the point estimate for P is P hat, the sample proportion P hat equals X over N. So, which X is it?
Right.
I'm wondering, is that
Well, that's what Josh was saying is the x1 plus x2 divided by N1 plus N2. But isn't that what we did?
I thought that's how we did, but we could try the numbers again.
Let's see.
Can you re-input the numbers in the spreadsheet?
Oh, yeah, we got to go back to the others.
We had 52, 70, and then 42, 59.
So 42 plus 52. And then divide that by 70 plus 59. Yeah, I got the same thing as Josh.
Can we just try the z-score maybe?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and try that. So you guys got 0.394.
I got 0.729.
For the z-score?
Oh, z-score, just kidding. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, I got to put the numbers back in.
Oh, yeah.
Let me know if anyone else gets 0.394, and I'll go ahead and turn them in.
I got 0.394, yeah.
Okay.
Yep, me too.
Or, yeah.
I just put them in wrong at first.
All right, that's not right.
Do you think we just subtract like p hat like 1 minus p hat 2?
I don't know.
That would give us 0.031. So, what do you guys think about that?
What did you say on that one? Sorry.
Just doing like p hat 1 minus p hat 2.
What did you get on it?
I got 0.031.
Was that a formula, though, that they introduced at all?
Nope, I'm just making stuff up.
Oh,
Trying to guess what it could be.
is it the... wait a minute. Is it just the 1.96?
How did you get that? Sorry.
Well, that's just the z-score of a 95% level of confidence. Well, I don't know.
0.394.
No, the 1.96, you know how we have those values for the 90%,
Right.
Oh yeah.
the 95%. Just don't know.
Try it.
Or do we plug in our z-score into the applet? Did we do that already? Did we
We
plug
haven't
score?
done that. We could try it.
394.
Yeah, they do give us an applet link in here, so you probably are supposed to
Then
use it.
what do we shade?
Both sides normally
Right.
because we're testing for both sides.
Yep, this was
Would it be 0.6936? Is that what you guys got?
That's what I got.
Maybe we should try that.
Yeah, somebody want to try that? So round it up to 0.694.
I'll submit it if you guys want.
Okay.
Is it was 0.94?
0.694.
0.694. All right, here we go. It's still wrong.
Ugh.
Yikes.
I hate it when it throws in things that we didn't even touch on. Nothing was said about this.
Yeah, and I honestly bet that it was something from a previous chapter that we just need to remember. And the funny thing is, I'm seeing it in my head, but I can't remember.
Well, yeah.
I go clear that.
I'm going to Google it.
I did that and that didn't come up with anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, what did you guys get for number 3?
0.743.
Oh, I put in the wrong number. I saw that I missed that one. I'm like, what? But I had Z-score in there.
Wait a second. P1 minus P2. Mackenzie. Yes. Hey.
Yeah, it looks like a point estimate must be the mean. Right?
Yeah, but isn't that what we already tried? Because the mean we had to use like the x over n.
Right. You're right.
I'm wondering, so in the question right before the number 6, it says create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. So what's P1 minus P2?
Isn't that just,
Isn't that what you put in, James? Or did
what?
somebody try that already?
I didn't do P1 minus P2. I mentioned it, but I did
Oh,
the,
okay. Yeah, maybe we should try that.
What was the number you came up with, James?
let me find it. It was like, here, I'll just do the math again. I can't remember.
So I don't even remember how to get P, because you can get P hat, but
And this was to just give us p.
Right. I did P hat minus P hat 2. Not P
Yeah, it
one
says
minus
let
P2.
P1 be the portion of females in the population who can taste the PTC. So that's 52, and then P2 is the portion of males who can taste, which is 42. So it'd be 52 minus 42, which is 10.
let's try it. If it's wrong, I'm willing to take a 95%.
Well, has everybody already submitted once?
I haven't, so let me do one real quick here. So we'll try 10. All right. If it will just submit to you. I'm on campus, and so that's kind of slow internet right now. 5, 6, no, it's still not it.
It's all good. Let's just move on to like the next quiz or something.
Oh crap! I got the last one wrong. Did you guys get 20 right?
See?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be C.
Oh my gosh! I just clicked on the wrong one. That's stupid. Okay.
Yeah, that happens. I've done that too.
I just really want to figure it out.
Yeah, it's annoying.
I feel like it's probably a lot more simple than we're thinking.
Yeah, but it's because we haven't had to calculate anything for these ones, really.
Yeah. There's a lot of really complicated ones, but I'm like, I wonder if it is just that 1.96 or whatever that is.
I'll put that in and submit and see. Let me just finish trying to transfer all the other answers over to my second one right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm really glad we get to take this twice. Otherwise, we'd really have crappy grades right now.
I know.
Yeah.
And it'd be like Russian roulette for whoever would actually submit first.
Right.
Exactly. Not terribly pleased with my grade as it is, but whatever.
Me either.
I'm gonna pass.
Well, the
Yeah.
tests are really hard.
They are, so hard.
How'd you guys do on the last homeworks, by the way?
Okay, there was one homework problem that drove me crazy. I'm trying to remember which one it was. It was just like it just didn't give us like any information.
Oh, I know exactly. It was number 7, I think.
I just stared at that and I was like, I have no idea what to do.
I did
That's me
fine
almost
on
every.
the first one earlier in the week. The second one, I missed the same 3 both times I tried. So I don't know what I was doing wrong there.
So last week my homeworks were okay. It was the week before that I got pretty much 50% on both of them.
I got 50% on the last 2.
Yeah. It's
Hey,
hard.
Ginger, did you submit already?
No, I'm doing it right now. Sorry.
Oh, no, I was just going to see if it
plugging in the last one. I'm going to try 1.96. The confidence interval there. Save
Isn't
all.
it 1.96? Oh, yeah. Sorry. 1.96. You're right.
Please be right. No, it's not right.
Oh, my land. What on earth?
All right. Did someone already try 0.789 or 0.0789?
Nope.
No.
I'm just wondering, so there's on the spreadsheet, standard deviation of confidence interval.
Yeah, 0.079. You can try it.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, give it a shot. By process of elimination, hopefully we get this figured out.
It'd just be nice to know. So, like, because I guarantee you there's going to be like 4 questions on the stupid homework that are around that. It's always the one thing they don't explain.
Yep. Six. That was wrong.
What did you put in there?
0.079.
0.79, so it's not either of those values.
You know what? Did we do p hat 1 minus p hat 1?
That would be 0, wouldn't it?
I mean, p hat 1 minus p hat 2, I wonder. I don't know.
Give it a try if you want. All right, I'm open to suggestions. I got nothing right now for my last one.
This says the X bar is now the p hat. I don't know. I have no clue on this one. No clue what's.
Yeah, I'm sick of racking my brain on it personally. So, what could be a magic number to throw in there? How about 0.693? Or is that, did we already put the p-value in?
No, but I think we put it somewhere else, didn't we? Maybe not.
Yeah, go ahead and try that one because I don't think
We did try that one. Because we tried the z-score and we tried the area above the z-score. Well, yeah, I guess that is the area above the p-score, or the p-value is the area in the applet. So we did try that.
Well, 0.693 is wrong. James, did you submit already?
I've submitted my first one. I haven't done my second, but I am open to whatever guesses you may have because I have no idea what to put
Try
for it.
0.
Try 0?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm all of a sudden having a thought that that might have been the right answer.
Oh, that could be. Because our z-score is 0.394 on the right and negative 394 on the left. So the median would be 0, which is usually.
Because on the last one with one proportion, I think that's what it was. Now I'm remembering. It could be wrong still, but that sounds right for some reason.
I won't be offended if it's wrong. Don't worry.
All right, you don't know where I live, so we're good if you do.
I know you're on campus. I'm like.
Did someone try 0.031?
What was that,
Point
Dorothy?
0.031.
Where do you figure that?
So that's just p hat 1 minus p hat 2.
Yeah, we didn't try that.
I don't know. I'm excited to see the answer after midnight tonight when they finally show us.
Yeah.
All right, so am I going to do 0 or that one?
It's totally up to you.
Coin toss. I think 0.
Yeah, try 0.
Sounds good. I'll go with 0.
If it's 0, I'm going to be pissed because that was like my first thought.
Your inclination.
I was like, nah, I couldn't be 0.
It is wrong.
Okay.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, we're going to have to study that out. I'm going to email the teacher and be like, all right, bro.
Yeah, how do we do this?
Yeah.
Figure this one.
I hope you use that exact phrase. All right, bro.
All right, so
He's
I'm
a nice
going to
guy,
sign
though.
off and then contact you guys again for the next one. Bye.
Perfect.
Sounds good.
All right, we'll see you.